Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how organizations or homeowners reduce their electricity bills and improve energy efficiency, it all begins with an energy audit. In this video, you'll learn everything about energy auditing, energy management, electrical system design, and system auditing, explained in simple, practical terms. Whether you're a student, solar technician, or energy enthusiast, you'll gain valuable knowledge to help you design and manage efficient power systems. So stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly energy insights. What is energy audit? An energy audit is simply a careful examination of how energy is being used in a facility or building. Think of it as a health check for your energy system. The main goal is to identify where power is being wasted and find ways to improve efficiency without affecting performance or comfort. Auditors collect data from lighting, equipment, air conditioning, and other systems to determine how electricity flows through the building. The final result is a detailed report showing where you can save power, reduce cost, and improve performance. Importance of energy audit. Energy auditing is not just about saving money. It's about using power wisely and safely. A proper energy audit can cut electricity costs by up to 30%. It also helps to detect overloaded circuits, improve reliability, and prevent system failures. On a larger scale, it promotes environmental sustainability, reducing carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. For solar system designers, it's the first step before installation, because you must understand how energy is being used before planning improvements. Steps in conducting an energy audit. Let's go through the key steps in conducting an energy audit. Step 1. Data collection. Gather utility bills, equipment details, and load information. Step 2, site inspection. Walk through the facility and observe how energy-consuming devices operate. Step 3, measurement and monitoring. Take readings of voltage, current, and power factor. Step 4, analysis. Identify losses in areas where energy is being wasted. Step 5, recommendations. Suggest improvements such as efficient lighting, solar integration, or equipment replacement. Step 6, reporting and implementation. Summarize findings, calculate expected savings, and create an action plan. Energy management concepts. Now that you understand energy auditing, let's talk about energy management. The continuous process of monitoring, controlling, and conserving energy. The goal is to optimize usage, improve efficiency, and maintain comfort and safety. Energy management relies on 3 key principles. First, monitoring. Regularly track how energy is used with meters and sensors. Second, control. Use timers, smart switches, and automation to reduce waste. Third, conservation. Replace old appliances with energy-efficient models. In simple terms, energy management helps turn audit results into real, measurable savings. Electrical system design basics. Electrical system design focuses on planning how electrical power is distributed safely and efficiently. It begins with load calculation, identifying how much power is needed. Then you choose the right cables, circuit breakers, fuses, and distribution boards. A good design minimizes voltage drop, prevents overload, and keeps equipment safe. For solar or hybrid systems, proper design includes inverter sizing, battery capacity, and solar array configuration. When done correctly, a well-designed electrical system improves reliability, reduces maintenance, and extends the life of all connected devices. Electrical system auditing. Electrical system auditing focuses specifically on the electrical network itself. It involves checking wiring layouts, grounding, and protective devices. Auditors look for imbalances, overheating, poor connections, or low power factor. The goal is to ensure the system operates safely and complies with electrical standards. This type of audit helps prevent fire hazards, equipment damage, and energy losses. Performing regular electrical audits is essential for both homes and industries to maintain safety and performance. Common mistakes and tips. Let's look at some common mistakes people make during energy audits and designs, and how to avoid them. Many people ignore actual load data and guess energy consumption. Others use undersized cables or fail to plan for future load expansion. Some never schedule regular maintenance after installation. Here are a few tips. Always measure real data. Use quality-rated components. Document your designs for easy troubleshooting. Review your energy system at least once a year. These simple habits can prevent breakdowns and save thousands in repair costs. Conclusion to wrap up. Energy auditing, design, and management all work together to create an efficient electrical system. A good audit identifies where energy goes. A good design distributes it safely. And effective management maintains efficiency over time. If you're planning to install solar energy or upgrade your system, always start with an energy audit. It's the foundation for sustainability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about clean and efficient energy. See you in the next video. And remember, efficient energy saves money and protects our planet.